Hello, and welcome to my fireplace. The obvious problem here is the old insulating rope is not sticking and not doing its job. So, it's pretty easy to replace. Pull off the old one. I'm going to clean off this area here where the rope sticks in. Not with my finger, I have proper tools. And then replace. So away we go. Stay tuned. Okay, so a little prep. Just clean up the door a little bit. Clean up the. Got my replacement gasket kit set. And I need to figure out how to open. So the kit comes with 6 feet of new rope and a tube of glue. And away we go. I want to make halfway. I'm going to make it meet in the middle on the bottom down here. I think it's going to be my best bet. And they say you're supposed to do it facing down, but I'd have to take my entire stove apart to get this out. So I'm going to do it like this and put a little tape on it and then close it up, and hopefully that'll be good. It'll definitely be better than what was there. Okay, had to reset there. My light died. I'm just going to pre-tear a couple of pieces of tape here. And we'll see how this works. Okay, and all taped in and glued. Hopefully you guys can get a good shot of that. Alright, now what we do is we just close her up. And let that sucker dry. Says it takes a couple hours, so that's fine. Alright, Thank you for watching, and another one in the books. Have a good one, guys. Okay, so the great unveiling. Let's see how I did. Oh yeah, not too bad. Alright. Well, let's start a fire, shall we? Well, maybe. Edit. Peel off some tape. And a lovely fire. There we go. Crack this sucker open. Yeah, pretty good. Now it's supposed to die down if I close this. Hey, look at that. It's like science or something. All the way open. Ooh. Alright guys, thanks for coming by. Make sure to like and subscribe.